Welcome to the Vegan Spice. My name is Joseph, 100% plant-based and 100% vegan. We have rice cakes, 3 different kinds. Come on inside, let's get it. All right, so we have strawberries, we have bananas, we have rice cakes. The only ingredients that's going to be in these guys are going to be rice and salt. That's it. Then we have some kiwi. Then we have cocoa powder, no sugar, organic. That's beautiful. We have cinnamon, which lowers your blood pressure. We have hemp hearts. These guys have tons of fiber in them, an amazing amino acid profile, good protein. These are the insides of hemp seeds. They're very soft. And you can even go ahead and make your own hemp milk if you want with that. Then, my favorite right here, we have sunflower butter. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to make these rice cakes up. Any of the ingredients that you see here, you can go ahead and substitute. Any of them. If you don't like strawberries, use blueberries. If you don't like kiwi, use more bananas. This is where the creativity comes in, guys. This is what I like. We have 1, we have 2, and we have 3. However you like it, it doesn't matter. Mix match, you can just eat it with sunflower butter. If you don't like sunflower butter, go ahead and use almond butter. If you don't like that, go ahead and use peanut butter. Or you can use walnut butter. Whatever you like, whatever your fancy is, go ahead and use it. So we're going to do a base with some sunflower butter. This is going to be so good. I can already smell it. And there's no right or wrong way to do this. I just like everything to be very, very pretty and very tasteful. So you have 1. Actually, we're going to go ahead and do 2 only because the middle one is going to be for fruit. Again, any of the ingredients that you see in front of you, you can go ahead and substitute. Look at that sunflower butter. Look at that. Beautiful. Smears on perfectly. All right, so we're going to go with this one. We're going to go some bananas on here. Now maybe you guys can go ahead and pull up a seat there and I will go ahead and make you whatever you want. All right? We have some strawberries on that one. Look at that. Wow. Let me bring that up close for you. Look at that. Look at that right there, guys. I got to take a picture of that. Beautiful. And what we're going to do, we're going to grab a little spoon here and we're going to put some hemp hearts right on the top of that. Beautiful on that. So this one in the middle, we're going to do some kiwi, because who doesn't like kiwi? We're going to do some strawberries on the side also on that one. Look at that. And this guy right here, we're going to do some hemp seeds right down the middle. If you haven't tried these, 16 ounces is like $10. Okay, that's going to be really good. And we have some bananas on the end, finishing up that. That is looking mighty beautiful. Let me get you guys a close-up of that. Right there. You have 3 different kinds. Now remember, good for IBS, awesome because it's low FODMAP. Now remember, know your threshold when it comes to low FODMAP stuff. If you don't really know too much about it, go ahead and Google it. Below FODMAP is going to really help your gut. It's going to heal your gut and along with the IBS. It's going to decrease, not eliminate, but it's going to decrease and reduce, the issues you have in your gut right here. So right here, we're going to use some organic cocoa. And you can get something like this, okay, for dusting. I'm going to take that. I'm going to put it on here. You're just going to tap it a little bit, and you're going to dust it. That's what you're going to do. We're going to do a little bit of cinnamon also on there. We're going to tap it for the dusting. We're going to put some cinnamon on this one right here. Beautiful. And a little bit more cocoa powder right here on the end on these guys. Those look so yummy. Look at that. Right there. Lunch is up, and or dinner, or a healthy snack, guys. That is it. 1, 2, 3. Low FODMAP. Good for the IBS, guys. Hope you enjoy it. Until next time.